Log into the portal and then into a relevant job. Job labels have been printed, so we just click on Dispatch Inventory. If this job has an inventory created, then go back to All Jobs, clone this job, and then proceed to dispatching it to a device. Open the link on the device to download the job. Follow the button. Install the Inventory B. And just open the app, job will download it automatically. Long tap on the job record. We know the number of pieces in the job and enter it in the last label. Tap on the checkbox at the bottom. Tap on the truck icon to define warehouse loading positions where pieces will be placed. Tap on plus. Select position type and enter relevant reference number. Tap on back. Tap on plus. Enter reference number and tap on OK. Tap on back. Tap on barcode. Aim at a QR code on the piece label. Select position at the top. Change position. Tap on OK. Aim at a QR code on the piece label. Change position at the top of necessary. Change. Tap on OK. Tap on barcode. Aim at a QR code on the piece label. Tap on OK. Get the bingo or tap on stop and tap on inventories. Tap on pickup summary. And get the desired receiving reporting report with the loading information of each piece. Get the signatures and open the PDF one more time to send the signed version of this to the client. Tap on the cloud icon to upload this PDF to the portal. Go to the portal and tap on Download PDF.